Hello YouTube, my name is Captain Darren. My amateur radio call sign is N4VFR. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to adjust my SunSDR transmit audio, because in my previous video, I have the link above, when I was doing some testing with the RFI interference in my Radio Shack. There was my audio sounded like it was really compressed, as if I had a cold. It sounds nasally like this. This is N4VFR. So it was not very clear, and it didn't sound natural to me. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my modifications starting from scratch. Hello again, welcome to my desktop. What you're looking at here is the Expert SDR2 software, and I am running the SunSDR2 DX. The dry power up here is 0%, so I'm not going to be transmitting any power out. They're set to 0%. We're going to make a baseline, start from scratch. And how to do that is I go to processor, and I've already did this earlier, and I took out all the default settings. So we're going to run through it. So under DC block, if I were to click default, it automatically enabled the DC block. So I'm going to leave that alone. Look at the rotator, preprocessor, filters, none enabled, noise gate, compressor, limiter, equalizer. It's reset. It's totally flat. Automatic gain control. Okay, it enabled that. I'm going to leave that alone. I'm not going to change it. Clipper. And that's just my profile. All right, now what we're going to do is I'm going to turn on the audio so you can hear the radio, and I'm going to demonstrate what it sounds like when it's flat. Testing 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. This is November 4, Victor Foxtrot Romeo, and 4 VFR. Testing 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, and 4 VFR. Okay, that's the audio when it's flat. So let's try to make some adjustments. Let's start from the left side, the DC block. I'll leave that enabled. Rotator, I'm not going to change that. Preprocessor. Let's listen to that without the it enabled, and then we'll enable it. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. The preprocessor is disabled. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and I will enable it now. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Now it's disabled. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Now it's enabled. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. It's really hard to tell, and I could increase the input boost if I needed to, but let's try that. I'm going to increase it maybe 1 or 2 dBs. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. November 4, Victor Foxtrot Romeo. Let's turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. It's back on. 1, 2, 3,
3, 2, 1. Test complete.
All right, so I'm going to leave it that way. I want to have it enabled. I increased the input boost to 6 dB. Let's look into the filters. I was playing with this filters earlier, and this is what I like. Enable the peak, and I increased the gain to 2, and this is what it sounds like under peak.
1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to change it to the low pass. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. This is the low pass. I'm going to change it to a high pass. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. That's high pass, band pass. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. And we'll go to notch. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. That's the notch. And back to peak. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And low shelf. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. That's low shelf. And a high shelf. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And 4 VFR. Going back to peak. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And 4 VFR. So quality is 2. I increased the gain to 3, 3.5. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1.
I think that sounds good. Do you agree? So far, the audio sounds good in the headset. All right, the noise gate. That's going to eliminate some of the background noise when I'm transmitting, especially when I have my little girl next to me sitting right here, and she's watching her YouTube show. And I also have an electric fan in the background. You can see it right over there, the electric fan. And that caused a lot of noise, and it gets injected into the microphone, and you guys can hear it. So here's the noise gate.
One, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. When I unkey it, you can hear the background noise. Or when I stop talking. I don't know if you can hear the fan in the back. So let's turn it on. Noise gate is now enabled. I'm not hearing anything being picked up by the Heil PR40 mic. And everything is in a default setting. I kind of like it.
Okay, that was good. So when my daughter's back here playing her videos or talking to me, I can adjust these ratios and the threshold right here, all these settings. So right now I'm going to leave it as the default setting. I'm happy with it. Now the compressor, I had it enabled before and I didn't like the audio. It kind of make it more nasally, so I'll leave that off. Limiter, I'm not going to touch that, but I think what limiter does is when you have too much audio that goes into the red area, it's going to reduce the dB so you don't clip, you don't overmodulate, I guess you want to call it. So I'm going to leave that disabled. We'll go to Equalizer in a second. Let's look at automatic gain control. That is enabled. I'm going to leave that in the default setting. And clipper, I'm not going to enable that. I'll leave that alone. So back to the equalizer. Now we're going to look at the equalizer, and remember it's currently flat. Let's enable that. We'll do a test with it flat.
1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and 4 VFR. The equalizer's enabled. Now the equalizer is disabled. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1.
All right, so it sounds the same with it enabled and disabled. So let's enable that now. Look at these settings. Okay, that's default. And let's bring up some of these frequencies. It's hard to see. That's the gain, and this one, let's just bump this up a little bit.
Testing. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. All right, that sounds like it gave it a little bit more bass. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. All right, I got it set to 5 dB. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1.
All right, that's at 5 dB. Let's take a look at the next one, the light blue one.
One, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to negative. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3.
All right, so how do I sound? Is it better like this on the -4? -4 dB. Let's try again.
1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to go +4. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Go back to negative. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. -4 sounds good to me. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And 4 VFR.
All right, I think I like -4. Okay, you also have 310. There's 600 hertz. And let's go to 1 kilohertz. Let's bring that up and see how that sounds.
Okay, I'm going to raise this up. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. I don't like it. It doesn't sound too good there. Let's go negative. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. No, I don't like it. I think I need to come neutral or slightly high. Maybe 4 dB. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is at 4 dB and 4 VFR. Testing 1, 2. Hello, test. And 4 VFR.
All right, I'm going to leave that alone there at 4 dBs. And let's make some changes here. What about this? 2 kilohertz.
1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. And 4 VFR. And 4 VFR. That's minus 1. Minus 1. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. All right, 4 kilohertz, 4 kilohertz. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. All right, so this one, the 4 kilohertz looks like I went down minus 3 dB, and it sounds good right now. And 6 kilohertz. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. Let's go to negative. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. This is N4 VFR and 4 VFR. All right, I like it about 5, and let's go 7. And 4 VFR. This is at 7 dB and 4 VFR. Okay, I think that's good, a little high, but I don't want to have too much bass into the audio, so I think that would work. All right, 8 kilohertz, and also there's 8 and 10 kilohertz. Let's take a look at those. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Okay, I don't like it there. Let's go back to 0. 1, 2, 3. I'll leave that at 0. Let's look at 10 kilohertz. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, test. November 4, Victor, Foxtrot, Romeo. Okay, I like the sound of that. If you do not agree, leave me a comment what I should do. And again, I'm just experimenting with this. I'm listening to the audio through my headset as I transmit. And maybe later on, I'll try to listen on a web SDR and actually hear how I sound like at the other end. So automatic gain control, like I said, I left that alone. Clipper, left that alone, and I'm going to update my current profile. Yes, I want to update that, and let's export that. And I'm going to say EESDR2 Captain Darren. That's my profile. Let's save it. All right. Well, that's me adjusting my audio, and I hope it works out. Hello, CQ. Hello, CQ. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is November 4, Victor, Foxtrot, Romeo. November 4, Victor, Foxtrot, Romeo calling CQ. Hello, CQ40. Hello, CQ. CQ40. Hello, CQ. CQ, CQ, CQ. November 4, Victor, Foxtrot, Romeo. November 4, Victor, Foxtrot, Romeo, CQ, and standing by.
So that's it. That's what it sounds like when I actually get on the air. It sounds great on the headset, but I don't know how it sounds at the other end. Cool. I'm happy with the outcome of the audio on the SunSDR2. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe. It motivates me to make more videos for you guys. I really enjoy making videos while I'm not flying. So leave me a comment below. Let me know what I can do to tweak it, make it a little bit better, or if I put too much gain, I need to turn it down a little bit. But I hope to talk to you guys on the frequencies. My name is Captain Darren. My amateur radio call sign is N4VFR. Until next time, have a great day, 73s.